Watermark Condos in Long Branch is an illustrious boutique condo, unique in its architectural design, highlighted by a prominent and distinctly cool clock tower. Located just the right distance from the city, where you're integrated with the historic Long Branch neighborhood, enveloped in mature trees, and one of Etobicoke's most enviable addresses by Lake Ontario. I'm Christina Mracek, broker and founder at We Are Home Real Estate Group with Sutton Summit, and we welcome you to a life away from gridlock traffic while being easily connected to major transit hubs, immediate streetcar access outside the building, highways, coffee shops, restaurants, and all the fixings a first-time home buyer is searching for. Peaceful views are a rare find, and the south-facing suite offers the privacy, design, and practicality that will draw you in. Framed by a well-sized primary bedroom and spacious den with a closet that serves up an option for a secondary bedroom or a quiet office. At just over 750 square feet with 9-foot ceilings throughout, this true-to-type design is an unquestionable favorite among young professionals.